Give me the rest of today. In fact, just give me 2 hours, and I promise you this one little tip is going to actually change your life, change your attitude, and things are going to start happening for you. If things aren't going well right now, maybe you hate your boss, maybe you just broke up with somebody, maybe you can't even get your kids to do anything. Whatever it is, if you're down in the dumps, here's what I want you to do. Just give me 2 hours of this. Stop focusing on what's wrong. Stop focusing what's wrong with your relationships, with the world, with your boss, with your coworkers, and just give me, please, 2 hours of thinking about what's right. Even if you really need to think about it, even if it takes you a while to go, okay, that one thing is good. If you can spend the next 2 hours, or ideally the next day or the rest of this week, only thinking about what's right and what's positive in your life, that's going to multiply the positivity. Whatever we focus on is where we take our life. And I'm telling you right now, maybe it's you. There's a lot of you out there that are only focusing on the negative, and you can't figure out why your life only gets worse and more negative. Give me 2 hours. I'm going to start the clock right now. Only think about the positive and let me know how it worked for you. My name is Matt Easton. Consider following me for more tips on how you can be successful in business and life.